Morning, everybody. Again. Already been on once this morning. Morning, everybody on TikTok. Good morning, everybody on YouTube. Where's my phone? Where's my phone? It is November 2nd. Good morning, good morning, good morning, good morning. Okay. Good morning, everybody, for the second time. How y'all doing this morning? Good morning, good morning, good morning, good morning, good morning. Hope you all slept better than me. I got about 4 hours. Right. Now, let's get a few more things in here. Good morning, everybody on TikTok again. Good morning, everybody on YouTube. Give me just a second. As always, have to finish setting things up. It is yeah, YouTube words. Okay. How's everybody doing this morning? Be right with you. I am obviously extremely happy about a trade that I did yesterday and left going. Thank God. I'm going to explain it in detail, show you how it went, all that good stuff. But I just have to get this set up first. I always do this stuff after you guys, so it's kind of funny that it's done this way, but you got it. Oh, you guys think everything just happens instantaneously, I think, but it doesn't. All right. Now I am actually live and back to YouTube. Okay, I'm on YouTube. I'm on TikTok. Good morning, everybody. Good morning, good morning, good morning. Good morning, everybody on TikTok. Botnator, Julie Gaia, D-Nice, all number ones. Good morning, Botnator. Good morning, Julie. Good morning, D-Nice. Good morning, Tarson Black. Good morning, Farm Guy. Good morning, Michelle. Good morning, Jose Luis Alonso. I'm doing wonderful, D-Man. How are you doing, sir? My TikTok, your TikTok. Good morning, sir. I am Groot. Good morning, Groot. Good morning, Pastor Pitbull. Okay. Let's see. We're going to go over to we're going to go over to YouTube, but unfortunately, I don't think I have that open over here at this time. Hold on one second. Going over to YouTube. Going over to YouTube. YouTube Studio. Let me pull this out. That's the trade, by the way. 450 pips on one trade. That's pretty good. That's pretty good. 450 pips on a trade from yesterday is pretty good. You guys think that's pretty good? Holy shitolas, that's crazy. Now, why can I not grab this? What the? All right. Fudge out of here. YouTube. Let's see. Here we go. We're going to go over to YouTube. Boop. My channel. The live. We're going to say good morning to everybody over here. Good morning. Looks like number one, first one here, JSMB1. Good morning, D Nice. Good morning, Pip Hunter. Good morning, Annie Leland. Speaking of that, what the hell's going on? Annie Leland, you have been knighted. D Nice, you have been knighted. JSMB1, you have been knighted. Good morning to all of you. Good morning, Cuban Forex. Good morning, Rob Gruthius. Good morning, Boost. Good morning, Jason Westberg. Good morning, Everyday Wealth Systems. Good morning, Dr. Matt Spangler. Good morning, Dr. Matt Spangler. You have been knighted too, Dr. Matt. Everyday Wealth Systems, as a matter of fact. You have been knighted. Everyone's going to be blue. Good morning, Mr. Noble. Good morning, Richard. Good morning, Ryan Sam. I think it's time for Ryan too, but I'll wait for that one. Good morning, Caribbean GTR. Good morning, Shuki SDO. Want to get the snipper? Oh, did I say something wrong? Sorry. I probably wrote something wrong. Good morning, OG. Good morning, Brian Claus. Good morning, PK. Good morning, team. Where's she at? Tracy, you have been knighted. You may rise as a moderator. Good morning, Ruben Hartnick. Good morning, Rocket. Good morning, Kamala Duncan. Good morning, Muna Omar. Good morning, Tom Williams. Good morning, William Jones. Good morning, Mr. C. Good morning. A lot of folks here. Good morning, George Hyde. Good morning, Zayed Nahar. Good morning, Dennis G. Good morning, Kendall. Good morning, Joe Dixon. And I think that's it. And great, fantastic call again yesterday, Kendall. If you see any more, please let me know. Thank you for the thumbs up. Thank you for everyone being here. Good morning, Ollie. Good morning, Audrius Adamitis. Good morning, I love the name. Good morning, BHB. Good morning, P2. Good morning, Brian Claus. What's up, everybody? Good morning, Michelle Glowinski. What's up, Michelle? How's everybody doing this morning? I think Kendall hasn't been here long at all, but she made that call yesterday for us. She's been knighted. Rise, Sir Kendall of the great calls. You guys ever watch Game of Thrones when they knighted, what's her face? Sweet when Jaime knighted. Oh my gosh, what's her name? The big, tall, blonde lady. Well, at any rate, all right, here we go. Now, we're going to go over my morning routine since it's basically your morning routine at this point. What we're going to do is I'm a he. No, it's when Jaime knighted oh my gosh. The lady she beat up the hound. Well, the hound was injured, that's bullshit, but whatever. Oh my god. Who's the big tall lady on Game of Thrones? Good morning, David McKinsey. Did you get 400 pips from identifying the order block? Woodshop boss. Did I get 400 pips from identifying the order block? Oh, Woodshop boss, you're new here, my brother. We don't trade that way, my friend. We don't trade that way at all. Alfred Coopers. None of you watch Game of Thrones? Oh my gosh. Good morning, Ken Rose. Good morning, Ken. I didn't see you, Ken. I'm so sorry. That was funny. Did you get 400 pips from identifying an order block? Ah! Woo! Way to wake me up in the morning with a joke. That's funny. Brianne of Tarth. Thank you, Shuki. Shuki SEO, have you won before? Shuki SEO, have you won before? Anything on our giveaways? This is we used to do free Friday money giveaways, but kind of got away from that. But anyway, no order blocks, no low quickies, no FTG. I know, right? No, never. Shuki, shoot over an email over to here, buddy. Shuki. Shoot an email over to here. You just won $100 gift certificate. You know what? Kendall, for calling that out yesterday. Not only are you knighted, but at any rate, in Game of Thrones, you guys never watched Game of Thrones, evidently, but Brianna Tarth, it's fantastic, Caribbean GTR. No, one of the best shows in the history of the world. But at any rate, Breaking Bad, oh my gosh, forget about it. But at any rate, so in Game of Thrones, I respectfully disagree with you. So in Game of Thrones, Brianna Tarth gets knighted by Jaime. And it's a she, and she goes, she's can't be knighted. But at any rate, it was a very touching moment, actually, a very good scene. It was kind of a shitty episode, but it was a very good scene that they had. Well, it wasn't a shitty episode, it just wasn't as action-packed as I wanted in the beginning, anyways. But at any rate, so yeah, that's what happened. So that was so cool. I know, right? An order block. He doesn't know. We can't pick on it. Vikings was good too, absolutely, until they killed off the main guy. That guy was incredible, Jay Parker. But at any rate, SPX 4-hour. Wow. Yep, we'll go over that, Rob. Good morning, Terry Skywork. Good morning. Love both those shows. Good morning. Good morning. Well, it's order block and RSI are powerful. No, sir. We're going to go ahead. Can I mute him? I want to be respectful. I just don't want him on here. See what happens when they don't know what to do? We're putting him a little timeout. All right. Now, I don't know what timeout means, but hopefully it means he can't talk. Oh, Lord. Good morning, Gary Ramundo. Still one of the coolest names we have in here. And they want to join this. I know, Tom, it would have been a nightmare from hell. The last battle was great. Yes, it was. So was the Battle of the Bastards. So was the Red Wedding. Oh boy. That Red Wedding, or whatever they call that episode. Holy shit. And so was Joffrey when he got killed. Oh my goodness. Good morning, DJ. Good morning, Audrius Ardomatus. Thank you for being on both, by the way, all of you. By the way, as I was saying, Kendall, not only are you knighted, you are also getting a $100 gift card for making the correct call yesterday and helping us make thousands of dollars. Not only that, you helped me make tens of thousands of dollars. So, Kendall, SCO Shuki SCO, I see you already emailed. Kendall, please email us so that we can give you out a $100 gift card. I'll tell Bri if I remember. She'll probably go, what the fuck's going on? But there's the email, the Forex Safe Trade System at gmail.com. That also goes for any kind of questions you guys might have. Shoot it over. Feel free. Any kind of questions, do it. Matter of fact, anybody that wants to call in. Matter of fact, if the fella who was trying to talk about order blocks wants to call in, I know, I wish we could watch it all again. Let me know. Good morning, Yolanda. Good morning. Good morning, Michael Mohoyahan. I love that name too. Congratulations, Kendall. Yep. All right. So you guys are all set. Man, we were at 65 people. I took away the money and everybody left. Good morning, Ron. Let's see. Good morning, USA. Da 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 da. Thank you. Will do. What a blessing you are. Pray you receive 1,000-fold return, Kevin. Thank you. And technically, I think I have. Kevin, where's Bri? We miss Bri. Give her hugs once. I know, right? Bri comes on very rarely. She's so busy behind the scenes now with everything. She's barely on with us anymore. But I will tell her that you guys miss her. Absolutely. She's still around. She's answering all your questions. And then, but yeah, she knows you guys miss her and love her and care for her. Let's see. But yeah, she's doing really well. Sleeping though, she's never up this early. That's the problem too. So, or it doesn't matter. Problem or goodness, she gets her sleep. Da 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 da. Da 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 da. Give me 1 second, guys. All right. Da 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 da. Da 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 da. Good morning, Georgie. Good morning, Tom. Good morning, Cristobal Armas. Good morning, Mike Moy. We want Bri, miss her voice, saying good morning to us. I know, right? She's so sweet and kind. I know. We got to get her back on. Good call out, Kendall. Thanks, everyone. Da 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 da. Da 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 da. Good morning, USA. Da 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 da. Da 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 da. Da da da. Da 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 da. Good morning, USA. Good morning, Yolanda. Thanks for being at both places. All right. I think everyone is here. We're all good. We have things. Now let's go over everything. This is how you start your day, as far as I'm concerned, is trading. This is what I've been doing for the last several years. Oh, okay. This is how you trade, guys. Everyone should have a digital recorder going. I don't care what it is. I happen to use this one. I'll pull it up for you. It is, and I get no kickbacks. I get nothing from it. It is this right here. It is it is ice cream recorder. Let me pull it up over here for you. So what you guys should first do is go over to and start up your screen recorder. Now I have another, well, I have several other computers, but I have another screen recorder going on a different one. I don't have one going today on this account, on this computer. So, but let me go over to ice cream recorder. I've been with them for years and years and years. I literally have, and I've told you this many times, literally have. So this is how you trade. I'm gonna go over this every day with you until you guys get it. You type in ice cream recorder up here. You come over to here. Now you can do OSB. I don't care. It's a free download. And then if you don't want it, you come over to here and you can get everything for the, no, we don't want all that shit. Hold on. We want just the ice cream. We just want $29 for the year. So you should get it. It unlimited records. It plays back. You can do free ones. I don't care, but you should record your session. I happen to use ice cream recorder, and no, I don't get any fucking kickback from it. Okay. It's just a very, very, very good little thing. It works perfectly. So the first thing I would do is get over, flip on your computer, or I'd leave mine on, and then go ahead and these are my trades, by the way. We can pull this all the way over here. There it is. That's the times in my trades. I'd go ahead and start recording, and then I would say a prayer. I don't care how you pray, but or who you pray to. And again, I don't care if you believe in Jesus, Muhammad, a flying spaghetti monster. I don't care. I would say a prayer, something along as I do. I go, thank God for another day above ground, another day of health, happiness, spiritual close with you. Thank you for another day of Bri and Katie and Livy and Mike and Gene and Terry, my entire family and all my friends being with me and close to me and being healthy and happy. And then I pray for individual people who need help. My cousin who made it through his surgery, thank you all for his prayers. Then I pray for myself so that I can actually reach you guys with what I'm doing and help you all make money and do the good things here on earth with that money. And then that's about it for my prayer. And then I just thank him for another day. And it's a fantastic day. And then after that, I would I go over my rules. Let's go over the rules. So you can see the results right here. Times in, times out. This is my trades. Only trades I have open, by the way, right now. And right here. And it's 460 pips right here. And I'm going to teach you exactly how to trade and how I did this right now. Good morning, Bradley. Okay. So good morning, Tim. Good morning, Troy. Okay. Good morning, Philly. So first step is record your session using the screen recorder. Second step is, I would do prayers first, but prayers first and then record, and then say your prayer, whatever prayer it is. Don't care. You have to give some kind of glory to some kind of supernatural being, because there's no way in hell I'm smart enough to figure this out on my own. I didn't have to share it with y'all. And a whole bunch of other reasons. Every breath we get is from God. Simple as that. Now, we're not here to beat religious things. I don't go over political things, but I don't give a fuck. If you don't like my prayers, then don't come to my channel. If you don't like what I'm doing, then don't be here. I don't care. Leave. If you're offended by prayer, then leave. Because I've had an email or two. Oh, Why are you praying and doing prayers? And get the fuck out. I do it because I can. I do it because my whole life is to God. I don't care if you don't believe in God. I don't care if you don't believe in anything. I don't care whatever. I'm here because of God, and that's it. I don't preach. I don't go on and on about it. But yes, I give him the glory, period. You do whatever you're going to do. I'm telling you how I'm successful at my trading. If you want to emulate and copy me, I sure hope I'm not fucking something up over here. If you want to emulate and copy how I trade, I'm teaching you exactly how I trade. By the way, I also do my Wim Hof breathing first thing in the morning. I do my cardio. I do my weight training. I do all of that before I come on live with you most days. Okay, so this is what I do. I come over, make sure that we're logged in, make sure that we have our computer already on. I make sure I'm recording. I say my prayers. Then I go over my rules. What rules? The rules that you all have. You should have these rules printed out. You should have these rules absolutely typed out, printed out, copied out. You should have them laminated. Wim Hof rocks. Yep. That's one of the rules. D Nice. Good morning. Good morning, D Nice. Again, morning, Bradley McGargle. Robert, Wim Hof rocks. Thank God for Wim Hof. Yep. Good morning, Michael, Stefani, sorry. Good morning, Rasta Pusha. Great morning. Yes, sir. All right. So after that, these are my steps. And I'm going to be doing this every time I go live with the big live. I was already live once this morning, as some of you know. All right. Then I go over my rules. The first rules I do is first rules I do is this. I look at my logos. I look for logos on everything. We have green up, red down. Simple as that. Green up, red down. If I see that on any of my trades, I'll look for it on my 1 minute, 5 minute, 5 minute, 15, 4 hour daily, which we'll get into in a second. If I see that, I'm able to look for trades. If I don't see the logo forming on any of my 2 time frames, I don't make a trade. After that, I then follow these rules. On the 1 minute chart or any chart, I look for this. Price starts above, down here, and I'll draw this out. Not with you guys. Well, sometimes with you guys. Perfect safety trade is this. Confirm it here. And then from those rules, I skip over all the rest of these and I go right to our specific rules. This is our specific rules. 1, if you don't see a clear safety trade on the 1 minute, 5 minute, you go up to higher time frames, but you keep checking back on the 1 minute, 5 minute to see if they form or develop. The order in which the safety trades develop are 1 minute, 5 minute, 15 minute. I go over all these. You may open one more, but don't get suckered into the higher time frames. Once the safety trades finishes, look to the next higher time frame. As soon as you set your safety trade, make sure you put your stop loss in. Always take profit immediately. You saw me do that yesterday with US 30. I closed US 30, NAS, and SPX down, and I left one US 30 open. Okay. Always remember to move your buy stop, sell stop line up or down with the movement. And the most important rules of all, always thank God, always do good with your profits, and always have my back. So that's step by step how I get set up, how I'm going to do everything, what I do, what I look at. And yes, I have my rules printed out multiple times. And yes, I have them laminated and I have them taped all over. So yes, I do all those things. And yes, I record my session. And yes, I have a dozen terabyte fills of my recordings. All right. Now, this is what we're going to do. We're going to start with SPX. And then I'm going to show you, well, let me start with US 30 since I told you step by step how I'm going to do this. US 30 right here. And I'm sure there's been some buy stops. I don't give a fuck, whatever it's doing. Here we go. So this is US 30. This is US 30. This is US 30. This is US 30 4-hour right here, daily. This is US 30 4-hour right here, daily. So I'm going to go with 4-hour. All right. So let's take a look. What you guys failed to understand or appreciate is this fact. Yes, this is a 4-hour sell stop now. See how it is risen up? Right? But as I told you, Sunday night, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, and I'm telling you again today, that it had to come up on the daily and form our logo. Okay, so let's take a look at that right here. Good morning, Igna73. What's up, buddy? Good morning, Maria, Leon. Let's do it. All right, here we go. Good morning, Azar. All right. So this is what it looks like. I'm going to pull it up over here so that you guys can see this on the daily. Okay. And then I'm going to zoom in a little, zoom out a little. And what we're going to do is come over here. So this is the daily US 30. Well, our rules state, right? Our rules state we have to look for the logo. So let's see. Do I see it? And did I see it Monday? Oopsie, sorry. Monday, Tuesday, or Wednesday, Thursday. Let's see. Price starts above, told to come down, retrace here. Yep, perfect. Came down, retraced here. Well, on Monday, Tuesday, and Wednesday, price was down here. It wasn't up here. So we couldn't make a trade for a sell stop Monday, Tuesday, or Wednesday off of the daily 4-hour. So we couldn't make the trade. But let me show you something so freaking cool if it goes back far enough right here. What we're going to do is we're going to go down to the 4-hour, and I'm going to show you how that looks. In a book. Hold on. Reading Rainbow. I don't know if we can go that far. I think we can, though. Hold on. It's in a book. It's in a schmook. Reading. There we go. All right, so let's take a look. This retracement on the daily, which God pissed me the fuck off. Price starts above, comes down, goes up, retraces, moves up, comes back up towards the yellow/red line. You see it? Where this occurs on the higher time frame, the daily, there's a 4-hour sell stop with a broken box. Went up, touched, and came down. Well, now, as it comes up on the daily again, it's going to come up probably somewhere, either touch this yellow line. I prefer above it or in the channel or above the red line. Really would be nice. Letting everything turn to green except for this right here. Let this stay red. Then it's going to hook and come back down again. Whether that'll be later today with news, whether that'll be tomorrow, whether that'll be next week, I don't know. But that's what the fuck it's going to do. Okay? So it already did it once. The first time's the best time. So does everybody understand? If you do not see the retracement on the higher time frame, there isn't a sell to make, or a trade to make, I should say. So in this case, it's a sell. It doesn't matter whether it's a buy or not. Everybody, do you understand? Yes or no? Unless there's a higher retracement, retracement on the higher time frame, in this case, the daily, there will not be a 4-hour sell stop yet. Yes or no? Do you understand that? Azar, Michael, Philly. Do you guys understand that? Cliff. Good morning, Cliff. D Nice, Rob. Okay. Okay, because inside of my own Discord, where people are trained at, they're asking questions like, well, why is it going to the 4-hour? Well, how high is it? What's going on? And why is it rising? Okay. Yes, made money with gold in US 30. Nice, Shash. God bless you, Shash. I'm glad you understand it, Terry. Thank you. God bless. Thank God. So everybody understands that. So when you see this retracement, there's your 4-hour sell stop. You see it? Pop, and it went down. Well, if we can't do it until it goes up to the daily, that means there's a buy stop somewhere. So as we're doing this, you guys wonder, well, why did Kev? Well, Kendall yesterday called out a 15-minute, 1-hour buy stop. Yay, Kendall, one of our members, new members, I believe. I'm not familiar. Don't yell at me, Kendall. But look, she called out so astutely yesterday on all 3 of our indices. Hey, Kev, isn't that a 15-minute buy stop? And I corrected her and said, yes, it is. But there's a 1-minute sell stop, and there was, and there are 1-minute, 5-minute. There's a 1-minute buy stop, and there's a 5-minute sell stop, and the 5-minute sell stop went down and hit its line, I think, a couple times. And then it engaged the 15-minute. Okay. So with the 15-minute buy stop, let's take a look at this. That was yesterday. These blue boxes. Oh, shit. No, we ain't doing that. It's going way up there, baby. We're taking that fucking money. Hold on. Hell no. I might even pull it up even higher. I want all that money. 360. How much are we at? Yeah, that's 120. So I'll make about 400 pips on this trade. Well, anyway, let's get back to it. So look, she called out astutely and correctly this buy stop right here. So how does it look? Well, this is US 30 buy stop. So this is exactly how I took this trade. So now you guys understand my reasoning. The daily 4-hour sell stop hadn't occurred yet. So the daily had to go up to the daily line. Well, to go up, it had to form a buy stop earlier in order to form it, to go up to it. So what was the clear buy stop? Yesterday, the clear buy stop was on the 15-minute. And I always use the 15-minute now to judge everything. And when these 3 15-minutes line up, you would have a 99% successful trade as long as the sniper is agreeing with you. So what does that mean? To trade, you don't do order blocks. Oh my God. I haven't heard that term in 10 years. Okay, 5 years. Order blocks. Did you make 450 pips with using order blocks and volume and VWAP? Did you make it using ascending and descending wedges? I know. I got to be nicer. Okay, so look, this is how we trade, and you have to forget all that useless shit you think you know. Here we go. The trade that Kendall saw yesterday was simple. Was the blue line up on the 1 hour on US 30? Yes, it was. Was the blue line down on US 30 sniper? Yes, it was. She said she used a sniper. That's the setup. After that, did the pink also drop down with it? Well, let's take a look and see. Sure looks like it did. And number 4, was there a buy stop? Boy, was there. There wasn't just one buy stop. There was 1, 2. And then there was a broken Bach buy stop. So I'm teaching you everything, how I trade, how I get up in the morning, what do I do? And it's a broken Bach versus a non-broken Bach. Well, shit, that's so fucking cool. But let's take a look at everything now. Let's put it all together. This is our 1 hour to the left. We look for our logo. Price started under, came up, came back down. There was a buy there, came back down yesterday right here. And then, of course, it went up. Oh, that's cool. Well, if there's a logo over there on the 1 hour, was there a logo over here on the 4 hour? Of course there was. So let's take a look. This is the logo over here on the on your 1 hour. Over here, this is the 15-minute. Price started under, right? Came up, came down, came over, came up, came down, came over again. So this is why it's doing what it's doing. It's following our rules exactly as written out, spelled out, drawn out for all of you, and that Kendall was able to read out and actually do. There's your trade. Now, does that make sense to everybody? Yes or no? If no, I can go over it slower. I can show you on TradingView. I can show you everything. Now, why did I stay in the trade? Because we always use runners. I closed 3 trades, my NAS and SPX and US 30 down quickly, and I left 1 US 30 open, if you guys remember the trade yesterday. And I let it run. For how long? I'm going to let that motherfucker run forever. I'm in a gold trade for like 3 weeks right now. Did that make sense to everybody? What did you just move? Light. What did I just move? What? I don't know what that question means. One more time, please, says Tank Dog. Buy stop, 1 minute. I'm sure it is, Alfred, but I'm not calling any trades right now. I'm sorry, I'm not. Yes, it makes sense. Runners, one more time, please. Okay. Can you draw it out again in the D1 chart? Yes, Light, I sure will. Okay, we're going to go over it again. So let's take a look again. We're going to start from the very beginning. Okay, we wake up, say our prayers, thank God for another day above ground. We open up our ice cream recorder. We then come up, well, I do all my Wim Hof, cardio, 10 minutes, EWAT therapy, blah, 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 weight lift, all that good stuff. And then I come in here and I make sure my recorder is going. Then after I do my recorder, I open my rules. So what rules do I open? 460 pips, by the way. Holy shit. 400 and it's a $46,000 trade. 460 pips on a trade, live, done yesterday in front of you. By the way, I think that's impressive, but $140 an ounce on gold is more impressive to me. And that's what this trade is, by the way. Anyhow, so those are still rolling. Only ones I have open now. Only pending ones I have. I'll put in some sell stops in a little bit. Not right now, though. All right. So those are the steps. Then I come over to here and I only look for the logo, either green up or red down. How do we find it? By following our rules right here on the 1 minute candle, blah, blah, blah. Then I come down to my other rules and I read these over every day, even though I created them and wrote them. I don't think any of you do this. Specific rules training. If you don't see a clear safety trade, blah, 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 I work my up from 1 minute, 5 minute, 15 minute, 30 minute, 1 hour, 4 hour, just like it says to do. You can get caught into it, but you can open up too. I play some downs when it's going up. I did it yesterday. I did a 5 minute sell and I did a 15-minute buy. Once the trade finishes, look the next higher time. Make sure you put your stop loss in a minute. Make sure you put your thing. Make sure you move yourself down as it goes. Take profit and always thank God. So as I review my rules, I come back over to here again. I come over to here, and what do? If I was thinking this is a 4-hour daily, which kind of is a little bit weird, but we'll do it this way. You come over here to daily. You come over to here. This is your daily. You can clearly see I can't move this one off. I don't think I can even pull it over more. Well, I'll just leave it where it is. It is what it is. So the daily is this. Started above, red down arrow, came over, retraced. When it retraced, there was a 4-hour sell stop. Came back down, came back up. Now it's getting very, very good, and it's going to do this. And that is your logo. If you come over to here, right here, you can clearly see our logo was here on the 4-hour, came down, came over, came back over, boom, and it's doing it again right now like this. Doop. That's what it's going to do eventually. When you come over here, you're going to see that this was a unbelievably great, fantastic sniper. You're going to see number 1 on the daily, it's flat. Number 2, you're going to see the blue line arched up on the 4-hour. That's all you need to trade. Boop, boop. But I do give you extra confirmations. The 3 is up also, the pink line, and the 4 is a sell stop. And boy, oh boy, was it not just a sell stop, it was a broken Bach. And this is green, while this was red. That's what it means by broken Bach. So you can clearly see the same setup is happening again. You're seeing the blue line rise, but the pink isn't up all the way. It might not on the second one. It might only come about halfway, but it's rising up now. You can see the blue is rising up. You can see our sell stop forming. These are 4-hour candles. Red, 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 green, red, red. You're going to open up a sell stop. Let me see right here. If it ever goes, yeah, it's above there. So I can open it up probably on the yellow over here. And I can right now in US 30. I'll do that in just a minute. And I'll open up my sell stops, waiting for it to hook and come back down again. It's as simple as 1 and 2. You need the sniper for the simplicity. You can still do it without it. I strongly recommend, and I only trade, let me be clear. I personally only trade with the sniper now. I will never trade without the sniper again. Ever trade without the sniper again. That's how important it is to me. And I trained somebody, I don't want to get into it, but somebody had purchased the system for their child, and that person told their child that the sniper was worthless. It was all I can do. I actually busted out laughing. It was all I can do is like, what are you talking about? The most ignorant statement I've ever heard in trading isn't, do I use order blocks? Is that the sniper was useless. Are you fucking kidding me? The sniper is the Bach broken out. So it is the most important indicator because they're both the same. I just broke them out so you can see them on different time frames now. That's all I did. So it's Bach break, not Bach break is the same as this blue line, but I don't want to get into that. You people get too confused. I'm not doing it. Long story short is all you had to do was this. You're waiting for it. So this is what it looks like. 1 low, 2 arched up high, 3 pink comes up with it, which it is. 4 was there a sell stop. Boy, was there this first time. First time's always the best. Here's the second time. There it is. That's all. That's all you're going to do. Yeah, I fully see why sniper. It's totally essential. There's nothing you can do without it. Troy, got to run. See ya. Okay. There's the one left in 1 day. It is Tarson Black. Yes, it is. Yaz 100 is going to sell. Well, all 3 are going to sell, Dyson. Dyson Prod, do you have the system? Okay, Light, did you see that? And who was the other person? Tank. Tank, did that help you see that clearer this time? If not, we can do it again. I am going to have to go in and make my calls, and then I'll come. What time is into this thing? Oh, shoot. How long have I been on this thing? Because I got to get in there. I have to do my things. I need more than 62 thumbs up on YouTube to stay here. And I'll need at least 50 people, which you guys are doing good on TikTok. I'm trading myself. Yeah, Dyson, I can tell. You need to get the system, my brother. You're not you're welcome, Tank Dog. Yeah, I can tell you don't have the system. You really need to, that's great you're here and all, but you need to learn actually how to trade properly. That's all. Light. Oh, thank you. Yes. Okay. Anybody else on TikTok or YouTube want me to go over that explanation again for you? I will gladly do it. It is straightforward and simple. There are rules. Follow the rules, and you'll be perfectly okay. So we're all good. Okay, I'm going to go through my call outs. How do I get the sniper? You make create a nicely worded email, send it over to Bri. Yeah, you're in the system. I know you are. Send it over to here, the Forex Safety Trade System at gmail.com. That's where you send it to. Yeah, anyone that, well, we'll get into that later. We don't add you back in for 6 months. All right. Now I'm going to go through all my call outs with everything. Then I'll come back to some more training here in a second. But for right now, I got to get rolling here. So let me go ahead and do my oil. I'm going to do oil, XRP, Ethereum, Bitcoin, GBP, JPY, USD, EUR, USD, SPX 500, NAS, US 30, and gold. Okay. 494. We're almost at 500 pips on a single effing trade. 500 pips from yesterday to today. Fuck. Holy shit. 500 pips from yesterday to today on a single trade. No, you don't do that on an order block trade. It's impossible to do that on an order trade. There's the date. This is from gold. I'm still more impressed with my gold call, but this one's getting up there. From 1508 yesterday, you saw me do the trade live. You saw me open up multiple of these, actually, 2 or 3 of these, and I think it was one Nadex and one SPX. Closed all those down, kept this one going. There it is. For those of you on TikTok, though, you can't see all that, so I have to pull it back over here. 400. That's 49,490 on a 1.0 lot. So that's 494 pips. Oh my goodness. I wonder if we can get it to 500. Maybe it hit it. I didn't see it. I wasn't watching. All right. If it goes up another 5 pips or something, somebody let me know because I want to catch a 500 on that. Hope y'all just caught that US 31-minute buy stops to see no pullbacks, just straight buys. Dyson, you're trading an old-fashioned way that doesn't work, my brother. And I don't want to kick you out of here because I think you've been stalking me for a while. But no, we don't do that. We don't trade that way. You will not talk like that, or I will block you from this channel, just so you're clear. That's old-fashioned. We don't do any of that shit. It'll never work for you long-term. I'm sorry, my friend. It won't. All right, here's oil. Oil, 1 minute. All right. I know, isn't that insane? Here we go. Oil. Oh, shit. Falling like a rock, and I can't even get us in it. 1 minute sell stop to the blue line. Well, let's take a look, guys. Here is a fill in the gap, 1 minute sell stop to the blue line. And I'm sure this was a 1 minute, 5 minute. Yep, there it is. Damn. Oh, well, too late. Can't get in it. All right. 1 minute, 5 minute, 15 minute. Let's see. 499, 498. Oh my gosh. Hold on. I got to see something. I have to see this. If we can get up to that 5 mark, I don't know if we can get it. Oh, did it ever arch? I didn't pay attention. I don't know if it was already there or not. If we already got it. Oh, come on. 55, 5, 5, 5, 5. 500 pips. 500 pips on one trade. 500 pips. Holy fucking shit. 500. Try doing that with support and resistance. 500 fucking pips. Oh my God. Thank you. Wow. That's fucking crazy. Holy shit. Holy shit. Wow. That's insanity. I don't know if I don't think any of you, well, I think a couple of you understand what 500 pips means, but most of you are like, yeah, okay, that's good. 500 pips on a single trade is, geez. Wow. I don't know. Thank God for the system is all I can tell you. Sure as heck ain't doing that on any kind of support, resistance, trend line, Fibonacci retracements. Are you kidding me? You okay? Good luck with that. Almost at the 1 hour. Yeah, Michelle and Rob. Yep, that is crazy. And Andreas. Yep. Oh my God. All right, I'm gonna get back to trading now. It's 51 now. It's it's 510 pips now. Holy shit. Oh my goodness. This is insane. Yeah. It's 510 pips. I'm not coming back to it. Well, if it hits 550, I'll come back to it. Jesus, Mary and Joseph. Holy crap. Oh, wow. It's crazy. Oh, sorry. I'll read your comments. I think I missed it on the scanner. It's there. Like the system is thing of beauty. I know. Isn't it, Pastor Pip? It really is. Alpha Curves. I never made so much pips in my life. I know, right? Oh my God. For 5.5 years, I couldn't make one pip. Well, maybe one pip, but I'm telling you, for 5.5 years, 5 years, $26,500 I lost. And look at that, I just doubled it almost in one trade. Yeah, I would lose every time I placed the trade. The market went directly against me. It was like some kind of curse. For 5 years, I lost over and over. 99% of my trades was loss, 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 loss. Craziest shit on earth. Yeah. Well, that's the beauty of the strapping your boots on is the equivalent of doing your rides. This is awesome, by the way. Who is this? Yeah, this is sell stop again. 5-minute sell stop. I would play any 1 minute, 5-minute sell stop you can. Unfortunately for us, it's a little late on that project. Yeah, it is. For oil, 15 minutes, 30 minutes, 30 minutes, 30-minute sell. There was a 30-minute sell too. I'm sorry. It's too late. I wouldn't enter these trades. And it already hit the 4 hour. No. Not doing it. The only thing I do with oil is wait patiently. Let me see something here. I don't think I can change this right now. Fuck. Now I lost my ability to see my daily. Damn. But it is a daily buy on oil, but I would just wait. There's nothing to do with oil. Zero. It's made its move. Just stay out of it. XRP. I had the curse, says Robbie. I know, right? Fucking insane. Mine was always the wrong side in the past. Yep. I mean, it was crazy. It was immediate. I am new, but FVG during the silver bullet time, that's me about 10 pips. Yeah, we don't trade that wood shop, boss. I'm glad you're here. I'm glad you're making money, but please don't. No, we're not even gonna allow that comment. So we're just gonna have to take that out of there, my brother. There you go. We don't trade that way. I used to help BlackRock fund their account. Rob, me too, my brother. That's a funny way of putting it. All right, let's go on to XRP. XRP, baby. Let's see what we got. 1 minute buy looks good. Where's she going to? 1 minute, 5-minute buy stop, XRP. Has it gone down enough for the 15-minute yet? No, I don't like that. I don't like that. It needs to come down a little lower, personally. Yeah. You could take it, but I want this to pull. I want XRP to pull back. Look at this 30-minute, by the way. Look at these 30 minutes. XRP 30-minute buy stop went up 2 days ago. XRP 3 days ago. XRP 30-minute buy stop 2 days ago. XRP, oh, I'm sorry. This is this morning. This morning buy stop and went up. What the fuck? This is all you guys have to do. Look, 30-minute, 30-minute, 30-minute. Logo came back over. Logo came back over. Logo came back over. Logo came back over. Boom, 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 boom. I wouldn't play XRP. Let me see if we can get a better entry. It is a buy stop, but I would wait for it to pull back down again. XRP 4 hour, XRP daily, weekly. Weekly XRP is a sell stop to the blue line. That's all I'm going to say. I think we can skip it because it's a monthly buy stop. And yes, they can be skipped. Not everyone. That's why we have the buy stops, sell stops. Not everyone gets engaged. Sometimes they don't. That's why we use, literally why we use buy stops and sell stops. Okay. But look a little, so we're up to 61 cents. By the way, honest to God, if we can skip the weekly, I'm not saying we will skip the weekly. I'm saying if, with capital letters, the sell stop, if we can skip the weekly, you will see XRP well over $2 a coin. Well, $2 are bullshit. It's not really a coin. It's called $2 bullshit, but it will. Everyone else is going to say, oh, XRP. I've been recommending XRP. My average buy-in price is at 40 cents. I've been recommending it since 31 cents, though. And I think I have like $3,000, not much, like $3,000 or $4,000 of it, but I just like it. All right, that's XRP. Ethereum. 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 Bitcoin. Already passed it. 1 minute buy stop. Ethereum. Ethereum. 5 minute sell. Let me see. 5 minute sell Ethereum. 5 minute sell. I gotta get going, don't I? What time is it? Oh yeah, I gotta get going. Ethereum. We're gonna fly through these now. Ethereum, 5 minute sell. Ethereum, 30 minute, 1 hour buy. I love the 30 minute, 1 hour buy. Look at yesterday what it did. Told you, 30 minute, 1 hour buy. Ethereum pop. It's gonna do it again. There you go. Ethereum, 4 hour, boom, 5 hour daily, 5 hour energy drink. Ethereum daily sell stop, weekly sell stop, monthly buy stop. Ethereum. And again, I think we can see something with it. 1 minute buy stop Bitcoin. 5 minute nothing. 15 minute buy. 15 minute buy. 30 minute buy. Fill in the gap. 30 minute 1 hour. 30 minute 1 hour buy stop. It's already risen a little bit. It might pull back first, but whatever. Daily, weekly. Weekly sell stop Bitcoin, but we can skip it. Monthly buy stop Bitcoin. And I'm telling you here right now, if we skip that sell on the weekly, which we can, you're going to see Bitcoin blow past 69,000. I'm not saying we'll have plenty of opportunities to buy it along the way. I'm not saying it's a straight vertical up, but I am saying if we can skip over that weekly, there you go. That I am saying. All right, GBB JPY, 1 minute, buy, 5 minute, too late. Oh, look at that, gorgeous. There's your logo. Starts under, comes up, bops, comes up. There it goes, 1 minute buy. That's what it was. Fuck. Bop, 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 ba da da. 30 minute buy stop. Too late. 1 hour buy stop. Told you about it yesterday, by the way. Told you about it fucking yesterday. Son of, I wish people would listen to me every once in a blue moon. All right, 4 hour nothing. 4 hour daily buy. I would just stay out of GPJBY. It's just nothing. I wouldn't do it. USDCHF, USD CHF is the opposite of EUR USD. EUR USD is a one. Too late. 5 minute, 15 minute. Too late. 15 minute. Can't get in it. 1 hour. Nothing. 4 hour sell. 4 hour sell stop. If you want to wait fucking forever. Daily. 4 hour daily sell stop. Weekly sell stop to the monthly blue line. Let it keep arching up. That's fine. And then it'll hook back down. Gold. Love me gold. It is a 1 minute buy, but you're too late again. 5 minute buy. You're kind of not too late. 15 minute, 30 minute. No, this is a nice little 30 minute, 1 hour. 30 minute, 1 hour sell. It's a short. So you can take some buys, take the buys. 30 minute, 1 hour sell. And then it's going to be a 4 hour buy. 4 hour buy. And I'm so grateful. This is what I caught. If you look in here like this, boop, 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 boop. That's my entry line on that buy on gold. That's why I'm so happy of it. Look at it. Oh, this is a Thor's hammer. I don't know what the fuck they call it. Oh, this is why it arched up. No, this is why it arched up, because it's a fucking buy stop. Green, 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 red, green, green, buy stop. Up she blows. There you go. Oh, this is a blah, 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 blah. This is a wedge of unemployment news in 10 minutes. Oh, God, here we go. I line you all up. All right, let's go over here. SPX. 1 minute. You're in a buy. You got to be in a buy. If you're not, there's nothing I can help you with. 5 minute. See, there's nothing. 15 minute. Nothing. 30 minute. Aha. 1 hour. Triply aha. 4 hour forming. Daily sell. 4 hour daily sell stop. So you're either in these 1 minute buys or you're not. And of course I am. And then I'm going to put these sell stops in place. So I wouldn't trade anything. If you're not in a trade right now, then don't trade. Am I clear? Yes or no? If this is any kind of real news in 7 minutes, do not fucking trade. Am I clear? Yes or no? I'm lining up some sell stops for later. It might be with this news. It might be later today. I don't fucking know. But just in case, if they're not going to push this, keep going up with my US 30. I'm going to be pushing in these sell stops. US 30 is the same way. Yeah, there's nothing. It's a 1 minute buy. You can't do it. It was off the 5 minute. It's off the 15. It's off the 30. 1 hour. Don't touch this shit. Don't fucking touch this fucking shit. Can I be any clearer to you? If you want to put a sell stop, put it on SPX. Use demo money only. Don't play this fucking news. I'm not kidding you. Do not play 6 minutes, any fucking news. Don't play it. I'm lining mine up only because I have substantially more money in my account than in all of my accounts, my 7 accounts. Ranch Girl says, yes, where we buy. What's up, Carrot Oto Vegeta? System is a thing of beauty. Yep. Jobs claims market will definitely move, says Harry. Clear as can be. All right. So there you go. Now I'm in a buy, right? So if it moves up in a buy, I'm okay. I've got lots of money. I've got it locked up. We're hunky-dory. There's no issues. I'm 100% set. I'll make like $40,000 on the trade if it dips a lot. In the meantime, I also have some sell stops set up just in case it pushes downward big. It's going to have to be a nice little push, but it can with news like this. So I have my sell stops ready to go. I'm in my buy stops. All of you, if you're in a buy, just lock it in. Just lock it in. That's all I can tell you. Okay? Don't get carried away with it. Don't whatever. Just lock it in. Now, when I tell you to buy or sell, I'm not a financial advisor. Everything I teach is 100% bullshit. Don't listen to a word I'm saying. It's all fake anyways. Those aren't candles. Those aren't lines. Those are all digital. It's about as real as the money you hold in your hand. And what about gold? Well, gold is about as real as it's shiny and sparkly. That's why gold works. All right. So with that in mind, when the market opens, when this news comes out in about 4 minutes, do not play it. If you're going to play it, lock in profit. If you're going to lock in your profit, it's going to move fast and furious, and you're going to have to listen to me quickly. This isn't for the faint of heart. You probably want to be on TikTok so you can hear my call outs faster than not. Okay. All right. We're good on people over there. How many? Hold on. Give me just a second. Two-fisted trading. Do I want to enter in off my other account? I don't think so. Oh, 91 likes. Very good. Very good. All right. This is going to be fun. So when it moves up and it moves down, I'm going to tell you to buy or sell quickly. Please only use demo money. That's all you should ever use. I'm not a financial advisor. Thank the Lord. Okay. And you can buy it at the safetytrade.com is where you buy it at, safetytrade.com. 3 minutes. Okay, I'll pull it up for you. Hold on. Someone asked where to buy it. Hold on. This is where you buy the system from. Boop, 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 right there. Safetytrade.com. It'll look just like that. That's where you buy it from. Read up on it first, and that's where you get it from. You can look at certain individuals. Yeah, we have a scanner. I can show you that too. Hold on. Individual stocks are right in here. We have a scanner. There's a stock room scanner. And it trades, if you get the scanner room $50 a month, it trades 55 stocks for you, or you can be on TradingView and you can use it on TradingView with over 1,000 different symbols. But these are all the different stocks. It trades, the scanner coded by Keith Palmer, fucking great man, trades exactly like me. And then you have your dashboard, you have your top 10s. Boom, 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 boom. It's so fucking cool. If I unleashed a fury of this so you can see everything, it'd be just stunning. Solano's a buy stop 1 minute. And it tracks everything. So if you wanted to trade, but yes, to answer your question, you can trade your indices, all majors, oil, gold included. You can trade your Forex, all majors and crosses. You can trade your big boy cryptos, all of them. See? That's $50 a month extra if you wanted to get that. But yes, stocks, it works fantastic on stocks. Not many of my people trade them. They do some options with them on Thinkorswim on TOS, but that's it. Buy stop 1 minute coming up on US 30. NAS buy stop 1 minute. I wouldn't take these trades. I personally think this needs to all fall down back to here. So if they pull this down back to here, I'm going to announce a buy stop. If it goes too low, we'll enter into our 4-hour sells. But right now, I'm looking for a pullback at their notice. I want this to fall down at whatever bullshit jobless claims they're going to announce. I want this to pull down to, let me draw it out for you. I want our logo to form. I want it to start under, zoop, come up, come back down like this right here, hook, and come back up for us. If we don't get that hook back up, I am 100% ready to go with my 4-hour sells. But that's what I'm waiting for it to happen. We'll see what happens. 1 hour buy stop, NAS, SPX, and US 30. I wouldn't trade it. I'm not saying it's not a good call. I'm just saying it's not for me. I'm not touching it. And that's that. Oh, you would have made money on it, though. It just went up. But I'm still not doing it. Don't like it. Not doing it. There it goes. See, there you are. A little bit of money, but I'm not touching that. I'm good. You have to have patience, my friends. And you'll get the best community on Discord. That is true. Could you show Apple real quick? They have earnings. I sure will, jaw dropping. Let me get through this trading and then remind me after I'm done with this movement, because here it comes. 10 seconds. Here it comes. Hold on to your hats, ladies and gentlemen. Let's make some money together. Here we go. Everyone be prepared to move fast. I will be too. Ah, fuck. You're in the money on your buy stops. It wouldn't drop. Take your money out of the buy stops. Take your money out of the 1 minute buy stops. Told you I wouldn't take those, but whatever. Take your money out of the buy stops. Holy shit, I'm up even more on mine. Take your money out of the buy stops. Take your money out of the buy stops. Those are 1 minute buy stops. Look at that fucking shit. Look at that fucking shit. I mean, that's fucking incredible. 530 pips on one trade. 530 pips on one trade. That is, I don't have words. Okay, where is my US 30 at? Hold on. Take the money out of those 1 minute buy stop, 1 minute buy stops. I'm locking in even more profit. This is psychotic. I am absolutely going to be taking out 42,000. Okay, that works for me. Back to where we're doing. Nothing I can call. It went straight up. They were 1 minute buy stops called out directly by the system. Every one of you would have made money on those. I told you not to take them, but that's my choice. You guys could have did what you wanted. There's NAS. There's SPX. And there's US 30. There's nothing we can do. That's it. That's all. That's all she wrote. Bingo, boppo, bango. Buy stops all made money. Buy stops all made money. I have nothing else. That was totally anticlimactic. That was 100% anticlimactic. That was pitiful. That was CPI. That was pitiful. Good morning, MC. Thank you, Wongnam. Good morning. Is that Sai? On both YouTube and TED. Thank you for being on both. And good to see you, Patrick. Good morning, Patrick. Hey, Patrick. All right. So that was anticlimactic. Just made $5,000 on the house. Team Lane. Great job, Team Lane. 1 minute, 30 seconds. Ration. Yeah, I can look at those. But it was a buy stop. It was a 1 minute buy stop. I just don't. They're too far away from me. It's not forming our logo right here. So I'm not taking that trade. I'm glad that Team Lane did, but it is not, I wouldn't consider that a correct trade. Now, if I wanted to go to the 30-second, let's go over here and let's go to 30-second. It might have been a true 30-second 1 minute buy. I don't know. Let's take a look. And then I'm going to look up Apple for him so he can know. All right, here we go. This is 30 seconds, and we wanted, what was it, NAS you made money on? NAS? Well, we can do them all. It doesn't matter. Now we're on a 30-second 1 minute. This was a 30-second 1 minute buy stop official. Team Lane made the correct call. This is a 30-second 1 minute buy stop for NAS. 30-second 1 minute buy stop. This is the beautiful thing. What you guys get for your 575 is this trading view. This is gorgeous, just perfect. And there it is again. So on all three, that's when you want to do it. So for all three, when it's 30-second, 1 minute, that's when you want to make the trade. Bippity boppity boo boo. Bippity boppity boo boo. All right. On both, says Tarson Black. Thank you, Tarson. Team Lane, I took the 30-second one. Yes, Team Lane. Congratulations, Tracy. Good morning, Annie Apple. Good morning, Annie. Now let's go ahead and take a look at Apple, actually. Let's go ahead and take a look at Apple for a nice job. I'm so glad Team Lane made her money. $5 grand. Fuck yeah. Let's see. Can I look at Apple real quick? Yes, sir. I will look at Apple. Let's take a look. Now, I haven't looked at Apple in a year, probably. Let's take a look at Apple. Symbols. Nope, we need to go to stocks. And you can do it over in trading, do it easier, probably. Close. Hide. I don't like trim at 30 anyways. Hide. Apple. All right, here we go with Apple analysis. First thing we're going to do is start at the 1 minute. Looks reasonably okay, and I like shrinking it all the way down. Okay, now you can see the bigger picture. Okay, thank you. Five minute. 5 minute. 15 minute. 15 minute. 1 minute. 5 minute. Damn, I don't have enough bars. 5 minute. 5 minute. 30 minute. I'm just doing a little analysis for him on the. Okay. Apple. Hold on 1 second here. Hold on. I got to get something else pulled up. Thank God. Okay. Okay. Now let's see something. I'm trying to get it where I can read with the sniper. It makes things so much simpler. 1 minute. 5 minute. 15. 30. 30. 1 hour. So 1 hour, 4 hour sell stop. All right. Now, I don't know how their news earnings going to come out, what it's going to do. I can tell you right now, it's a 1 minute buy stop. It's a 1 minute buy stop to the 15-minute blue line, Apple. It's a 1 minute, 5 minute, 15-minute buy stop to the 15-minute blue line, Apple. After that, without a doubt and without question, is a 1 hour, 4 hour sell stop. I would put my sell stop line underneath this yellow and I'd wait for it to come back down. So what I think Apple is going to do is this. It's going to arch up a little bit first. It's going to go boop. Then it's going to hook and come tumbling down. That hook going up might be very good. I don't know how Apple's, whatever it moves or doesn't move. I have no idea what it fucking does. But that's what I would think. Now, the pullback I was wanting, by the way, didn't come through for us. So that sucks ass. This thing did come true yesterday, that double top. Isn't that funny? It's exactly what That's what it did. All right. So Apple, 1 minute buy, 5 minute buy to the 15-minute blue line, to the 30-minute blue line. After that, and the one I like better, 1 hour sell, 4 hour sell. So they always cheat. They do after hour sales on stocks. So they probably have 100,000 million billion, right? Okay, not that much, but a whole shit ton of sell stop orders already put in, or they already after hour traded it. So I have a feeling they're going to let it come up a little, maybe a lot. I don't know what this means in your terms. I don't know if coming up to this 30-minute right here, I don't know if Apple at 177 is good. I can see it hitting that ish, coming close. Then I can see it flipping back down around. And where I put my sell stop in on Apple, I'd put it right here. I'd put it at 172.47, and I'd let it see if it comes back down. It will. Whether that comes down today, tomorrow, whenever, that's what it's going to do. I think they're going to push it a little bit up and then drop it. Now, if they did their after-hour sales bullshit, then they might just pull it down, period, and they might not let you do anything else. I don't know. But that's what it's going to do. It's for sure going to be a 1 hour, 4 hour sell stop. What I don't like is this 1 hour isn't complete. I don't think it's up high enough. It may be, but I don't think it is. Either way, I would just play it. I wouldn't even play the buys. I would put my sell stop somewhere here at 172.19. I usually don't give you out exact numbers, or 173.04. And I would sit here and wait. If it comes down, great. If it keeps going up, so fuck what? I wouldn't worry about it. Fight another day, right? That's how I read that. There you go. Oh, look. 532 pips on a trade. 532 pips on a trade. Oh my God. Psychotic. Yeah, that was shitty news. That was CPI. That was like the worst CPI news I've ever seen in my life. Talking about a dud. My 2 out of 3 does not look like yours. Tank Dog TV. I don't know. Put in your correct numbers. If you're on TradingView, you have to set your own numbers in here. You have to go in here, click on it, and change it to whatever numbers you want. Sorry, this thing right there. You have to change it to the symbols you want, whatever symbols you're going to use. And that's what you do. Or you buy the other scanner and you get it in there, either or. Oh, did I miss something? Here we go. Let's see. I didn't look at your cause. Could you Yep. Just made 5,000 right in 1 minute 30 seconds. Great job, everyone. My 2 out of 3 scanners look like yours. Do you think indices will go to the 1 minute blue line today? Do I think indices will go to their 1 minute blue line today? They didn't last night, which is one of the rare. That's why this is hard up right now. This is hard push. I think within 24 hours, you'll see it hit. Do I think it'll do it before 9:30? That is unclear. I don't want to say that at this point. Normally, 90% of the time, I'd say, yep. We're playing to the blue line. No, I don't see that. You're welcome, jaw dropping beats. What did Richard do? Did I miss something? Oh, Richard, up 500. Standing O for Richard. Standing O for Tracy. Team Lane. Congratulations to you both. $500. It was jobless claim news. That was useless fucking news. Unemployment claims it was. It was fucking bullshit. I want news. I want shit to move so I can make you guys money. Everyone's scared of it. Don't play CPI. Don't play jobless. Don't play NFP. Don't play non-farm, but don't play. Get the fuck out of here. I consider it the complete opposite. I consider every one of those days and times perfect buy times, perfect day. Can you imagine if we didn't trade on Mondays and Fridays, like all those? I was in some stupid, it was one of those fucking MLMs. Everyone joins in the beginning, ICM or something. What was it? ILM? Some bullshit fucking pile of shit thing. Don't trade on Mondays. It's trap days. What are you talking about? Don't trade on Mondays. Tell me that you don't know how to trade in 2 words. Trap days. Get out of here. Yeah, I'm waiting for news now, right? Give you money. All right, what time is it? 8:41. Good, we have time. All right, here we go. Does anybody have any questions, concerns, or comments? Does anyone have any questions about trades they got caught into that they shouldn't have been in? Does anyone have trades that they got caught into that they shouldn't be in that they want me to go over? Little precious. Little precious. Little precious. Little precious. All right. Anyone at all? None? All right. Cool. Here we go. Heading over to TradingView. Here we go. When you guys purchase the system, which you will be purchasing soon, if you haven't already, you buy it for friends and family. Yep, absolutely will. What does it look like when you get it? Well, when you get it, you're going to be on this one. And I happen to like these charts a lot. They're growing on me more and more every day. I still prefer my only, but that's okay. And right here, when you get it, the system. Good morning, Amy Lou. I am wondering if I was doing it wrong. I don't know what that means, Malachi. Your questions won't show. If they don't show, you have to email them in. Good morning, Ranch Girl. For the second time, weren't you up with me this morning, Ranch Girl? At like 4 or 5, whatever it was. I think 5. I was up at 4 this morning. I went to bed at midnight and got up at 4. Not enough sleep, I would say. And nope, there's no naps for me today. So yeah, it's crazy. Can you imagine running on 4 hours sleep? And I'm not calm. I'm pretty hyper. Oh. All right. Do you want MT4 time or another time set in TradingView? I hope I'm clear. You need MT4 time on TradingView. It has to be set to, I think it's Athens. I think it's Athens time on here to get to MT4. I don't know. Okay, fuck. I kind of thought I knew where the time was, but I don't remember where it is. I'm wondering if I was doing it wrong. I don't know. You have to email it in, yes, because I don't know what that means. They block your questions. Here, all right. Where was I? Okay, for a second, I'm sick. Oh, I'm so sorry, Ranch Girl. Pray for you. Got to put Ranch Girl on the on our prayer list. Let's go over to our Discord, and we can. I really do. I want to put her there. If that's okay, Ranch Girl. I want to put you on our prayer room. We don't know your name. We don't know who you are, so no foul, no harm. Prayers. Right here. Nope. Restream. Damn. Right here. And then we have a little room. I just started it yesterday. Yep. So cute. Oh, wow. A lot of you liked it. Cool. Please. The intent will be there. He's sick. And then everyone should see that. And yeah, we have a little thing, but I don't know. I know people are, oh, don't be this. I don't care. I'm just trying to help you all in whatever way I can. I'll fill in the gap, by the way, buy, stop right here. But let's go over what we're going to do. All right, here we go. Here we go. Looks so good on TikTok. Damn, that looks really good. Okay, here we go. This is how you know you're in the right trade or not. This is what we're doing. These are the 30-second ones that just happened that we're currently riding and currently in money on, okay? So we're currently making money on these trades. How did we do it? How did Tracy make $5,000? How did, oops, hold on. Oh my gosh, they're going to kill me. How did Richard Graham make $500? Good morning, Joe Bigga. How on earth did they make money like that? Well, it wasn't overly too hard, okay? It was actually on the more of the easier side. I'm two-fisted trading, by the way. All right. Good morning, Thomas Arnon. All right. And this is how we did it. Very simply. This is TradingView. And I like this setup actually more than the other. I know people like side to side, but I like this setup. This is TradingView. Top is 30-second chart, US 30. Bottom is 3-minute chart, US 30. Okay. Top 30-second, bottom 3-minute. That is the correct setup now. As a matter of fact, I have to write that down for us. Update type form. Update type form for sniper. 30-second, 3-minute, and then the 15-minute, 1 hour is the best. Woohoo, boy, boy, boy. But I'm working out this 30-second, 3-minute too. Great morning, Kai. Good morning, Kai. Great morning, BCM. Great morning, BCM. All right. Teaching you all how to trade. Watch. This, my friends, is how you do it. Order blocks. Some guy came out here and said order blocks. Oh, shit. We're going up even more. Hold. 551 pips on one trade from yesterday and 142 pips. I'm going to go ahead and say gold must have shot up on gold. And then US 30. I got to lock. Hold on. I got to lock my profits in a little bit more. Where's a good plot? Yeah, I can do that. I can go up a little bit more to there. I'm going to take that. Look at this shit. I'm locking in 450 pips. Jesus, Mary and Joseph. Remember, this is the trade, by the way, that some of you questioned. It was up. I was up like, I don't know, 28 pips. And then it dipped down to like 16 pips. And you go, why didn't you sell it? Why didn't you sell it? I said, I'm not selling it because on the higher time frame on the daily, it's not to the yellow line yet. I said, it's got to go up or it might go up or whatever. And I was willing to risk it. Well, instead of taking 20 pips, now I'm up 550 pips. That is the power. Does everyone see the power of the runners now? Does everybody see that? Yes or no? So I opened up, at least it was a couple of these on US 30 and one NAS and one SPX. I closed down all the others, but I let this one run. Does everyone see the power of the runners? Good morning, Joanna Webley. Yes or no? BCM says yes. Ranch Girl says yes. Wongman says yes. Remember, the more you interact with these lives, the more you're going to learn yourselves and help yourselves. Look at it. That is the power. 547 pips on one trade is insanity. Even for me, that's exceptionally good. I mean, 100 pips. We had two 200 pip days back to back. This is a 550 pip trade. Fuck me. I was just about to say that runners are great when. Yep, absolutely. Run, Forrest, run, baby. Run, Forrest, run, Forrest. Run, run, run. Yep, look at that shit. I mean, wow. But anyway, getting back to it, I just saw that surge on my other computer. I was like, what the fuck? Going fuck up again. If it gets to 600, oh my God. If it gets to 600 pips, I'm probably going to close it down at that point. I have to see where we're at. But anyway, I need to reload on our sells. We got time. All right. Make sure you have sell stops in. US 30. 4-hour daily sell stop, US 30, NAS, and SPX. You can't play any of these buys. They're way too late to get in. You're literally 550 pips too late to get into the trades, okay? So don't do it. But this is how we did that last one, or I'm sorry, I did not take this last trade, but Tracy did and Robert did. So this is how they did it. Watch. On the top, 30 seconds. On the bottom, 3 minutes. This is a good combination. It's a great combination right here. You can see before they announced news, the bullshit motherfucking news. Matter of fact, I should pull up. Let me pull up. What did that guy want? Ford? No, it was Apple. Let me look up Apple really quick for this fella. Some guy asked for Apple. Oh, shit. Typing on the wrong thing. Apple. Oh, gosh. Is this Apple stock? I think so. Let me go here. If this isn't the correct Apple, let me know, but I think it is. All right, so this is Apple. Let's go to Apple because I didn't want to tell them the wrong thing. So let me go to Apple here in 5 minutes here. 1 minute, 5 minutes. Make sure I'm reading everything correctly. I am. That is a buy. Yep, thought so. 5 minute, 15 minute, 15 minute, 15 minute. Yeah, nothing. Let's go to here. I want to look at Apple real quick. I'll get back to my explanation real quick. 1 hour, 1 hour, 1 hour, 4 hour, 4 hour, 4 hour. 1 hour, 4 hour, 4 hour, 4 hour, 4 hour. 4 hour. Coming up. See, it's not done coming up on the 4. That's what I said. Let me see down here. Let me put 4 hour down here. Let me go to daily. I'm going to check Apple again for, oh, fuck, look at that daily. It's a 4 hour daily. It's a 4 hour daily, but it's not done going up. That's the problem. So can we get him a better entry, though? If we can't do that, let me go over here to 1 hour for him. Hold on. 1 hour, 1 hour, 1 hour, 1 hour, 4 hour? 1 hour, 4 hour. Okay, let's go back over here. Sorry, it's just bugging me that I want to make sure I give him the best I can do for him. Yeah, see, no, it's still up. You can't do a 1 hour, 4 hour. It's still up. I stick with my original. They're going to arch it up a little bit, and it might be a lot of it. I don't know how big those numbers are. I was telling you earlier. But I still say this is going to be eventually, this is a 4 hour, and then eventually this is a daily. This is a 4 hour daily. So I think that's what I said earlier. Yep. That's a 4 hour daily. See, but it's not done on the day. It's not done. So if this is 1 It's not up high enough. 2, it's still low. 3, the pink has come up with it. It hasn't. And 4, is there sell? There is a sell stop. Yeah, I stick with that original. They're going to arch it up a little bit, then pull it down later. That's what I think. Now, if they pull it straight down because of news or whatever, the earnings or whatever, I don't know. But that's all. All right, cool. I'm going to go back to mine now. All right, now we're looking at US 30, 30-second, US 30, 3-minute, and how 2 of our members were able to make money on it. Apple earnings say after the close, says Jason Westberg. That's why somebody was asking, evidently. The buys are in. I don't know what you're talking about. Okay, I've given you many chances on this, Dyson. I'm sorry, my friend. I don't know what you just said you were going to not do something. You're just gone. Okay. Good morning, Maxwell. Good morning, John. Francescos. Good morning, John Francescos. Okay, I don't know what the fuck that is. Sorry about my spelling. Sorry about me slouting your name. I'm very sorry. All right. Now, here we go. This is how you're going to trade from now on, everybody. Forget the whole you're going to trade on your own and whatever the shit that is. Then don't be here, please. I don't want you. Don't need you. No offense to anyone, but no, we're just good. All right, so look. This is what you're looking at right now. You're looking at a sniper entry. Oh, that's interesting. Did it not do it here? It did not. Hold on. Let me see if I can show you a little cleaner one so you guys can see it better. Yep, there's one there. Yep, there's one. Okay, we're going to go back to NAS. All right, same thing, same trade. All right, so this is NAS. Let's take a look. We have our OG rules. Whenever you see your green, 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 blah, 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 right? So it's green, 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 red, and it's a buy stop, blah, blah, blah. There you go. So we're golden on that. I get that. But the reality is when you look at US 30, it did it. When you looked at SPX, it didn't do it. Well, kind of did it. And then there it did on NAS. So there you go. So when you see the trade, you want to make sure that it's at least to fill in the gap one, but I don't want to get into that with people. So watch. That's good. It's an excellent trade, no problem. But the way I look at it now without even questioning anything, simple as this. Is the 3-minute line, blue line, high on the sniper? Yep. Is the 30-second blue line dipped on the sniper? Yep. Is the pink line on the 3-minute drop down with it? Which is why I don't like the earnings thing on Apple, by the way. Yep. 4, is there a buy stop? Yep. You put it above, in either case, the yellow line or the green line right here. I'm doing the green now, right on it, not above it, right on it. And pop, it went up. That's the trade. And this is exactly the same thing it looks like right here on SPX. The problem comes with SPX is that's a little bit of a dot right there, but it does count if you wanted to use the OG regular system. And then the US 30 is much better. Now, don't forget, none of these change down here. The US 30 is high, the SPX is high, and the NAS was high. And it's just that simple. And that's it. So while I said I wouldn't take these trades, that's because I'm in a trade for 565 pips on US 30, and I'm not getting in another one. I'm good. That's it. Hopefully that made sense, and that was easy. Prayers, Bo. Thank you, Jason. My mom is finishing her testing today. After this, and hands the transplant committee to decide whether or not she can get a set of lungs. Oh, I thought you already said she could. Did you put your mom's stuff in? Yeah, I think you did, didn't you, into the Discord, Thomas? I hope you did. But prayers for Thomas's mom. I'm up 120 pips this morning. Nice, Tarson back. Congratulations. Thank you for all your prayers, sending love. Thank you, Thomas. Yes, we're definitely praying for her. Good morning, Jay Rose. Good morning, Jay Rose. Good morning, Jason Wester. Prayers, bro. Good morning, Clean Eat Junkie. All right. Did I miss anything on the messages? Oh, shit. We're going up even more. 570 pips on a fucking trade. 569, 570 pips on a trade. 570 570 pips on a trade. 572 pips on a single from yesterday. US 30. 572. If we can get to 600, holy shit. I'm already ecstatic. I don't even give a fuck. Even if we don't get to 600, I don't give a fuck. It's fine by me. Let me, hey, what? Hold on. Oh, that's why. Hold on. Let me pop this up here. Go to 30 minutes. We're play. I don't care. I'm not risking all this. I'm going to definitely place this up here. Let me see where we're at now on our pip watch. 442. Oh my God. Let me see if I can close it up a little cleaner. Now I'm going to leave it right there. Yeah, I'm going to leave it right there. 5 minutes. Because you're going to do a 5-minute pullback at open. That's a long pullback. Do I want to let that many pips ride? Let's see. 140. I'm good. I don't want to be okay. I'm good. All right. Anywho, trade from yesterday. Thank God. Look at that shit. Oh my God. I made more one trade than I ever made in a trading account than I ever had in my trading. Right? Yeah, I have several trading accounts. Some of them are big. Morning over yesterday to the blue line, says Richard Graham. I don't know. I haven't even really looked. Thompson, if anyone has any issues with Kevin, you need to stop it right now. The man is genuine and cares more than I can put into words. Support him and buy a system and thank God. Oh, thanks, Thomas. I don't know. I try. Yes, me and Bri care. Whether or not it's whatever, all we can do. Good morning, Jason Rock the Bach. Good morning, my brother. You made more one trade than I'm going to be praying for mom. Thanks. Absolutely, Thomas. We're all praying for her. And tell her we all said hi to, even though we don't know who she is. Poor lung transplant. Fuck. Prayers. All right. Nothing we can call. All I'm calling out right now, 4-hour daily sell. It's not done yet, though. To see the pink hasn't risen up. Sell stop. I think it's going to keep going. Henceforth, while I'm still in the trade. Our best hope for an entry today. Is a pullback. Let me draw it out before market open. Logo, blast somewhere the heck down here, came up, did our logo on this 5 minute. Came down, it's going to come down here like this and then do this. That is our best chance for a buy stop re-entry later today at open. That is our one hope. We need this sucker to pull back down a lot. A lot. I hope it does. It may not. It may not. Now I have some sell stops ready to go for US 30. I have some sell stops ready to go for NAS. I'm basing these sell stops on the fact that we're now up and over on the daily line. That's what we're waiting for all week. And last week too, for them to see this. Now the best one I see right here, is NAS. This is gorgeous as a matter of fact. This NAS sell is fucking gorgeous. Let it go up a little bit more. I want a little more clearance on our red line. But holy shit. Yeah, I didn't see this. That's beautiful. Now, this is a daily buy. You can clearly see it is. It's a daily, weekly buy with a broken box, so it can keep going up. It may never engage our 4-hour daily sell stops at all. It already did it one time right here. Boop. And it did it perfectly. It may never come back down. Then again, it may. So that's why we use pending orders. We don't use market orders, remember, we use pending orders. Oh, come on, Precious. What was I saying? But yeah, I do like this. So we have 7 hours. 4. Just gorgeous. 1 more hour. This is just, I can't be thankful enough, boy. Wow, this is crazy. Crazy. Look at this. Anywho, 1 minute buy stop. I wouldn't take it. NAS. You can't touch these things. They're too far away on the 5 minute. We needed to pull back and reform our logo right here. That's what we have to have it do. If it does it, I'll call it in again. If it doesn't come down on the 5 minute on US 30, if it doesn't come down on the 5 minute on NAS, if it doesn't come down on the 5 minute on SPX, I'm not calling it. Can I do gold maybe? Oh, gold's being a little messy this morning now, isn't it? 1 minute buy, 5 minute buy, 15 minute buy. Too late. There's nothing really to holler on this one either. There's your 1 hour, 4 hour. Oh, nice. How much went my gold? 143. All right. And then let's see ER. Now, ERUSD, we might be able to have some fun with ERUSD. I might open some options and get that going for us. 1 minute buy, 1 minute buy, 1 minute, 1 minute, 5 minute. Oh, it's too far away. Fuck. I could have caught this one. Shit, 36 pips. Fuck. Nope, not trading it. Now that is tempting. If I would have saw a 1 minute buy down here, I would open up fucking probably 100 option contracts right here. And then did it. But now I'm not doing that. It's not worth it. You got to let it pull back. Just like we have to let it pull back on US 30, NAS, and SPX. Damn, how much time we got? We have about 26 minutes. All right, cool. All right. Anybody on TikTok have any questions? Look, I don't have to yell at you guys this morning. Oh my gosh. There's 55 people on TikTok, and I don't think I even threatened you one time. And there's 104 thumbs up. And there's 133 people watching the live. Fucking awesome. What's up, everybody? Welcome all 133 of you and 53. That's 186, almost 200 people. Nice. Got in that ERUSD on Nadex earlier. Nice. Did you, Team Lane? Team Lane, you should call in and we should do a master class with you teaching how to do the Nadex. We should line that up. What day would you like to do that, or when can you do that? Do you have time, Tracy? And you can teach us all about the ones I don't like. But let me know if you want to do that, or shoot over an email if you want to do that. That'd be awesome. Rolling good on daily buy stop SPX. We all made money yesterday. I know, right? Fucking awesome. For Nadex, that's a great idea. Yeah, Tracy's much more skilled at all the. Yeah, Nadex is fantastic. Nadex is just ridiculously easy. Any 15-minute. By the way, do we have any 15 minutes today? Hold on. 15-minute. No. Let me see. SPX. No. NAS. No. US 30. No. So these must have been 5 minutes. They were not? Oh. Yes, there you go. NAS, SPX. Yeah. So let's look at NAS. I'll explain what I'm doing here in just a second. NAS, 5 minute, 15 minute, 1 hour, 15 minute. I don't know why. I think we should do this. Let me see something. Yeah. Oh, that's beautiful right there. 5 minute, 15 minute sniper entry. We'll do options only. Hey, Kev, driving the men's Bible study, listening in. Nice, Stevie Haynes. I hope some of my people are watching. Joe Big, I hope they are too. I hope they are too, Joe. I love Nadex. I need to do some more trades with them. It makes it so much easier. It does. It is easy. We'll do options only. Absolutely. Well, you can do any of the options on their trades, because you're the one that knows all about the God, I'm forgetting what they even call them these days. I strictly trade. Hold on 1 second. Hold on. I strictly trade the binary options, but if you want to teach them the call spreads or the knockouts, we can look at the knockouts too, by all means. Might as well go over it all. I'm trying to figure out how we can do that. We can AnyDesk into your computer. That's what we can do. We could AnyDesk into your computer, or we can do a Zoom. I could do a Zoom. meeting, you join the Zoom meeting, you share your screen and you control the screen. That might work too. So it might be better too, because then I can record through Zoom for everybody. And then we can post that recording up on YouTube besides the YouTube one, and I can put it in the Discord. Whichever you want to do, though. That's all. Let's see. All right. So anyway, here's a little pullback now. Little pullback now. Okay. Umu Diallo, good morning. Hello. I'll get with you, make it happen. All right, team Lang. All right, Tracy, sounds good. Thank you. I think it can benefit everybody. Let's see, how much time we got? 9:08. Okay. I think what I'm going to do. Little fella comes in here talking about order blocks. People, they latch on to the most weirdest things that don't work. One of our members that had paid tried defending the Fibonacci retracement so badly, it was embarrassing. He doesn't understand. I tried to make the Fibonacci retracement by itself work for over a year, almost a year and a half, on only trading NAS and only trading ERUSD. If I couldn't make the Fibonacci retracement work in a year and a half, it doesn't fucking work. Let me tell you. Jesus, people crack me up. No, the Fibonacci retracement works. No, it doesn't. Hold on one second. All right. Waiting for a pullback. Do I want to do any options? No, not really. Not on anything. It is so far from nature. AI is so far from nature. Okay. I'm not sure. Good morning, Umar. Good morning, Omu Diallo. Hope I'm not sliding your name. I'm so sorry. Good morning, Ray. All right. We made a shit ton of money already this morning. Waiting for a few more things to develop for open. I'm praying to God. Nice little pullback. We're up 141 pips on gold. 140 pips, $141 an ounce on gold, which is insanity. And we're up 544, which was 571 or whatever. 500 pips on a trade. Oh, Lordy, 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 Lordy. Ba-da-dum, 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 dum, dum, ba-da-dum, 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 dum, dum. Da-da-dum, 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 dum, 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 da-da-dum, dum, dum. All right. Oh, man. I haven't even really talked about this thing. I'm a horrible salesperson. All right. We are senior ambassadors for Stan, by the way, just so we're clear, which means we're one of their top stores in all of the world. We're a top 20 store with them. Thanks to all of you. Appreciate that very much. I never bring that up, and I really should, because we are senior ambassadors for them. I'm supposed to bring it up all the time. Free upgrade. Yep, we gave you out a free upgrade. The Holy Grail trade. I don't think I talked about that. The other week, a few weeks ago, 2-3 weeks ago, I announced that I have figured out what I consider the Holy Grail. I wanted to make a trade that would always work and never miss. And as good as the system is, we're at whatever, everyone's at 99% win rate, whatever they are at. which is fantastic and appreciative. And if we read the charts correctly, we should never have a loss. But you saw me with multiple losses on Wednesday of last week and one loss on Monday last week. Because what I do is I put all these fucking orders in and I lose track of who's who and what's what. It snags it and starts pulling it. And by the time I realize it, we're down a couple grand, but whatever. So that happens. So what I said was I'm going to keep going and researching until I can get the Holy Grail trade. What I consider the Holy Grail is a trade that will never miss. I'm always going to give God that 1% if he wants to do whatever he wants. But I'm telling you, I got it now where I have this the sniper working on this trade that never misses. So when I have that perfected and done, we're going to test it. We're going to test it live for the next literally for the next several months. So I would say within about 6 months to the year, you'll be getting a signal, availability to buy a signal from me. And that'll be free. One signal a month will go out free, the Holy Grail, to everybody that's in one of the scanner or the sniper rooms, sniper system add-on or the scanner add-on. If you're in either one of those, when I go live, you'll be getting the Holy Grail trade. Now, that's not going to be for 6 months or more. I guarantee you. Just not. So just hang loose. But there's better news. Again, I've never sold signals before in my life. I've had an opportunity through a gentleman who lined up certain things to I had an opportunity to do so for these gentlemen investors early on in Dubai. I turned that down because I said I wanted to bring my program to everybody out there in the world, not just a few select rich people. So now I'm going to sell signals to all of you, and it's going to be off of this one particular type of trade, not the Holy Grail trade, but just a normal kind of trade that works a lot of the time, and I'll approve the trade. And that signal will only be available to people who are in the sniper room. You'll have to have the sniper room or get it at that time. And then if you do get the sniper room, you'll be able to verify the trade that I'm going to send out as a signal. And that'll be like $50 a month, $100 a month extra. I'm going to try to keep it as cheap as possible. Now, the Holy Grail trade one, when I do that, will not be cheap. The Holy Grail trade, for lack of a better terminology and word for it, when I do that trade, that'll be a significant amount a month. But this other trade that I'm willing to send out and put my name on to tell you guys when to get in and out of a trade on only a demo account. You can't do real money because I am not a financial advisor, but I'm going to do it. I'm going to put it out there. And I'm going to give you guys those. And that'll probably happen mostly once a day, sometimes twice a day. You'll be getting a signal from me saying to do this. So when that occurs, I don't know if you guys noticed, but I seem to be pretty good on my calls. So if you'd like to get those signals, you can. And that'll probably be happening in the next month. I can see that happening within the next month, too, at the most. So you guys got that all look up forward to. Not to mention we have a scanner coming from for ERUSD. It's going to be added into the other scanner room for free. Does that all make sense to everybody? I hope that made sense. Makes sense, boss. Okay. Good morning, Sandro. Good morning, Dr. McCain. I love trading colors, says William Jones. Does not work. I don't know what that means. Sorry, I was missing something over here. Yep, therefore fib does not work. I'm telling you, it does not work. Jesus, Mary Joseph. This is made out of fucking numbers. Look, it's pulling back down for us. It's just weird how they applied stuff that was in the in nature and they applied it to trading. It's weird shit. Awesome, Sims Ranch Girl. Oh, okay, cool. Yes, yes, yes. Cool. I can't wait to add to my retirement. So it's not going to be. Yeah. Great, says John. Franciscus. Tanny B. Yes, sir. Makes sense, boss. Okay. Just want to make sure. All right. How much time we have left? About 13 minutes. All right. Keep it at, oh shit. You guys are right at 50. A few of you might want to sneak over. The 130 of you on YouTube, thank you for being here. If you're going to want me to stay on YouTube, I would add a few more over to TikTok, because if TikTok's below 50 at 9:20 in 2 minutes, 3 minutes, I'm going to close down the YouTube channel. I did it Monday, and I've done it many times before that. I'll do it again. I need at least that 50 people over on TikTok, please. So there you go. 115 thumbs up. Nice. 133. Wow. All right. Where are we at? Waiting for a pullback, watching things. I don't really want to. If you guys want me to train you some more, I will. What you do for all of us, you could just relax, make your money, and don't bother. That is true, Pip Hunter. Thank you from the bottom of my heart for spending time sharing it with us. Yep, you're welcome. I'm going to keep this pace up. Bree and I were talking. I'll keep this pace up for a while. Personally, I think by this time next year, you'll probably only see me on maybe 2-3 days a week. That's a guess. That's why I'm trying to get these signal services up for you guys, so that at least you can still make money when I'm not here. So yeah, we'll see how things roll, but I'm probably going to cut back a lot within the year. So I would say definitely by this time, end of next year. So by December of not this year, but next year, I'm probably going to cut back to 2 days a week, maybe 3 or something like that, and call it a day. So enjoy me while you can for the next year. Yep. I mean, I've been solid. I mean, I've been so on these things. It's crazy. But yeah, it's going to, and when we get to Vegas, it's probably going to be really good. We're going to go back to Vegas, it looks like, again for 3-4 months. Actually, I think we're going to go. Oh, I forgot to ask the accountant yesterday about the 6 months and a day in Vegas. Oh, shit. Hey, what the fuck? How many months we got left in this year? How many months we got left in this year? How many months is this? What is this? October? November, December, 2 months. Oh, shit. I don't think we have enough time to get into that. Fuck. I'm going to have to call him. Let me make a note on that. We're going to call Dean. Let's see if email PDF to Dean. Yep. Okay, Dean. We need 6 months and a day in Vegas. Yeah. I think we're going to end up doing that, by the way. I think we're going to be 6 months and a day in Vegas. So we don't have to pay taxes in our other state. We'll see. Anywho, Ollie, I'm here. It's OG. What's up, OG? What's up, Ollie? What's up, little Joe? What's up, Tony? You guys are up to 63 on TikTok. Thank you. Just gives you all a little breathing room. That's all. 135. Holy shit. Nice. I see we're growing on YouTube and TikTok. Thank you. I'll go. Thank you, Dr. McCain. Cooper's wait for a higher time frame to come a little bit closer. Sitting around Kevin's intelligent work ethic, their inspirational system is the best I was able to find out there. So it does 3 dozen reviews. Join his program and change your life. But yay, Sydney. Yeah, I went through a whole bunch of shit too, and I made my own. Good morning, Aries. I got so pissed at all these different systems I paid for. 1 minute buy stop in SPX. I'm sure that's true. Let me go over to 1 minute. Sorry. It is. It is a 1 minute buy stop. Let me just take a look here. I'm sorry. I get the rambling on this morning. Sorry. 1 minute buy stop, US 30. 1 minute buy stop, NAS. Now we can confirm this a little better by going over to here and going over to here. Let's see right here. What do we see? What do we see? What do we see? 30-second, 1 minute. 30-second, 1 minute buy stop. I don't like the deepness of that, though. Hold on. Let me see something here. Let me see. Why are these different? Let me pull it down there. US 30. There we go. Now let's see what we got cooking. What is the Rock got cooking? He doesn't say that anymore, does he? Yeah, this is a broken Bach. Broken Bach. 1 minute. Broken Bach. Non-broken Bach. 30-second buy stop, all three indices. Let me see though. This just is just concerning me. That can we get a sell here? Hold on. It is 15 seconds. Where's she blowing to though? Let's see. 15 seconds sell. 15 seconds sell. 15 seconds sell. 15 seconds sell. Yeah. 15 second sell stop. 15 second sell. These are so cool to see to me. Let me make this 30 second. Yep. Yep. Yeah. 15 second sell stop. NAS, SPX, US 30. Isn't that the fucking coolest thing? 15 second sell stop. If you don't want to play, and I don't blame you, if you don't want to play 15 second, 30 second, I'm just bored. I wouldn't play, but it is a 15 second sell stop, US 30, SPX, and NAS. Just saying. If you don't want to play that, though, and I don't blame you, 1 minute, 3 minute buy stop. So it's probably going to jerk down here like I wanted, and then it's going to be a big pullback up at open. Let's see, how long do we have to open? Oh, nobody knows. Oh, no. Okay, we have 6 minutes to market open. Remember, market open, don't play. Here in the money on the sell, by the way. The 15 second sell is in the money. The 15 second sell is in the money. On the only good one, though, would have been NAS and SPX. So the NAS sell stop 15 second is beautiful. It's over the yellow line. Down it goes. Cute. If you don't want to do that, though, for real, 1 minute buy stop, all three indices. I'm just trying to generate up some pips for you guys. Kev Sunday had an outstanding night. Slept the whole time. All right. Must be for you. I got 4 hours of sleep. Okay. All right. Zippity yay. My, oh my, what a wonderful day. Plenty of sunshine. 5, 15, 15. Forming again. Another. See, they don't give you much. They're only giving you from here to here, but it is what it is. I mean, it still is correct. It's giving you from here. Boop. And I don't know how the fuck this thing works. To here. About 7 pips. That's about 7 pips on NAS when you're doing these 30 seconders, but it is what it is. 15 second sell stop, all three indices. 1 minute buy stop, all three indices. More importantly for all of you, matter of fact, do I want to take it? Do I want to take it? Do I want to take it? 15 second sell. I'm just going to sit here. I'm just going to sit right there and see what happens. All right. Let me put this back over here. How much time we got left? Do not play market opens. Number 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Do not play market opens. If you're going to play market opens, do what I did. Lock in profit. How much profit? I'm just bragging. I shouldn't say it. Crazy amount of profit. Crazy amount of profit. Jeez. That's insane amount of profit. So lock in profit. Otherwise, wait for this pullback to come down to here. And I would. I drew this out earlier, and I still like what I drew. There's the bounce. There's the bounce. I want it to come down to there. So 3 minutes to market open. Again, don't play it. If you're going to play it, lock in profits. If you're going to lock in profits, then you're going to have to move fast and furiously. You're going to have to move fast. In and out, in and out. When I call something, make sure you move it fast. You understand? Don't horse shit around. Now, we want this shit to come back down for us. Will it come back down for us? It didn't earlier, did it? It's coming down, but we need it coming down further. Can we get a 1 minute? Can we get to blue lines on these? It really needs to come down a lot. This has been just a hard up, but sometimes you do these hards up, just the way it goes in life. NAS on the left. I'm going to put US 30 over here, but I'll bounce that around. Buy stop, 1 minute, all three indices. Sell stop, 4 hour, all three indices. I'm already prepared for my sells. The best sell we have is NAS. NAS is our best 4 hour sell. It's a 4 hour daily. You come in on the daily line right here on NAS. Daily. So it's a 4 hour daily sell stop NAS. On top of that, it's a 1 minute buy stop NAS. Pick your poison. I don't care which one you choose. All right. Good. We're over 63. We're all set. Good morning, Aries. Pip Hunter. Got it. Okay. I got to somehow cover the spread too. I know, right? You can't cover the spread probably with SPX, but you can with NAS. I'm sure you could. All right. Buy stop. All three indices, 1 minute. Here we go. It's about to change in a minute and a half. 50. If you want to do the 15-second sells, feel free. That's up to you. I wouldn't. I would wait for the 4 hour sells, to be honest. I can't honestly say to do the 15 seconds. Don't do that. But if you want to do the 4 hour sells, 4 hour sells, all matter of factly, hold on a second. Am I in my Nadex? And I like indices. I like the US Tech best. I'm going to do this one. We're going to do, oh, they're cheating ass bastards, aren't they? Yep. We're going to do order here of 100. Ah, shit. One. Okay, we're going to do an order here of 50. And we're going to do an order here of 30. Okay, well, that was embarrassing. I really have to get a bigger demo count. All right. Let me open up my real one too while we're at it. I use a demo for you guys. I have my real Nadex for me. Here we go. Okay. Good morning, Flight 379. All right. Here you go. Market is open. Buy stop 1 minute, all three indices. Buy stop US 30 1 minute. Buy stop US 30s in the money. You could take the money out if you'd like. Feel free. NAS buy stop 1 minute. NAS buy stop 1 minute. You're in the money on US 30. Close down your trade on US 30. US 30, close it down. You're up 16, 19 pips. Close it down. Zippity. Did we dip? We dipped. Let me see if NAS is down low enough yet. NAS. It's not low enough. I want NAS to come down further. It still is a buy stop NAS. 1 minute, though, if you want to take it, feel free. I prefer it to come down further. Look at SPX. NAS buy stop 1 minute. NAS buy stop 1 minute. US 30s in the money on the 1 minute. Take your money out again. Take your money out again. You're up another, or whatever the hell this is. I don't know why it's not letting me read it. You'd be up another 10, 15 pips. Let me see SPX. Oh, look at SPX. Gorgeous. Perfect. Gorgeous. Perfect. Buy stop again, NAS. 1 minute. Buy stop again, US 30. SPX is just to the moon. Let me go ahead and bounce out of here for a split second. ERUSD. Are we down enough? No. Yes, that is close. That's really close. 1 minute buy stop ERUSD, but do with that as you want. Buy stop ERUSD. Let me see gold real quick. Gold. Oh, to the blue line. 5 minute, 5 minute. Nice. Damn, you go, little gold. 30 minute, 30 minute, 15 minute, 30 minute, 1 hour, 30 minute, 1 hour. 30 minute, 1 hour sell stop gold. 30 minute, 1 hour sell stop gold. You should already be in it. You're in the money if you took this gold sell stop. You're in it. You're definitely in this trade. Lock in profit on gold if you're in that trade. I'm not. I'm in a buy, but whatever. There you go. NAS. Nope, wrong one. Sorry. SPX. What's so calm this morning? I'm usually more hyper. Oh, the 1 minute SPX is through the roof. NAS, 1 minute buy stop again. 1 minute buy stop, NAS again. Feel free to take it or not. That's up to you. US 30. Oh, is that US 30? US 30 is in the money. How much am I up? Woo! 580 pips on this trade. 580 pips on this trade. Let's pull it over here for you. 582 pips on this trade. 583 pips on 588 pips. 590 pips on this trade. 594 pips on the trade. Do I hear 600? Do I hear that is insanity. 600 pips. 594 pips on a trade. Live, done from yesterday to today. 591 pips. 594 pips. Jiminy fucking Christmas. Yeah, okay. The system doesn't work my ass. Yeah, I'm going to go ahead and say that system would have paid for itself times a billion. 600. It flashed 600. 600. It flashed it. It did. 600. It hit 600. I saw it. I saw it with my own two eyes. It flashed 600. This is a 601. 601. 603 pips. 603 pips. Buy the system so you know how it works. Buy the system so you can make 600 pips on a trade. 600 pips on one trade. Woo! Ric Flair, where you at, baby? 600 pips on one trade from yesterday. Damn. 600 pips on one trade. 610. Look at the SPX going up. Look at US 30 going up. NAS, 1 minute buy stop. You still have time. NAS, 1 minute buy stop. If it goes up, take those pips and run. Trust me. If it goes down, so be it. You're in the money on US 30. You're in the money on SPX. 615 pips. Woo! El Cabano, US 30 buy stops in the money. Oh, shit. My options? Oh, yeah, we're good. Azar, congratulations, Azar. El Cabano, good morning, Azar. Good morning, Steve. What's up, Steve? Where's you and Maria been? 1 hour sell stop gold. I don't know. I just read it. 15 seconds after I got to go. 30 seconds, 3 minutes. SPX paying money. Excellent job, Team Lane. I'm surprised. You're doing Nadex with SPX 30 seconds? That seems a bit challenging. Buy stop, 1 minute, NAS. Gary Jordan left her. Oh, wow. Congrats on this. Thank you, PK. Made my husband's monthly selling 2 trades this morning, says D-Lane. Nice. Congrats. We got to get your husband traded, Team Lane, if he wants. That's awesome. That is 620 pips. 620 pips. 620 pips. 620 pips. Wow. NAS, $173. Wow. That's fucking insanity. Where we at? I got to get you over here. Wow. Insanity. And it keeps going up and up and up. This is gorgeous. 1 minute buy stop US 30. 1 minute, NAS. 1 minute buy stop NAS. 1 minute, you have time. You've had time. I don't want to hear it. You've had time on the buys. I don't want to hear it. You have time on the buys. Look at that one fucking trade. Buy stop NAS. Buy stop NAS 1 minute. SPX is in the money. US 30 is in the money. Wow. 620 pips. Sell stop 4 hour, all 3 indices. Buy stop NAS 1 minute. 4 hour sell stop, all 3 indices. Look at that. 625 pips. You think this could ever get up to like 650 or 700? I'm going to have to lock in some more profit. Hold on. I'm getting a little, I refuse to be this kind of, I'm not that way. I'm comfortable with that. Hold on, let's go over here. US 30. I mean, I got it up there really high, but I'm locking her in. See how many of this is now. Look at it. 630 pips. Holy shit. I'm locking in 535 pips profit. 535 pips profit. Buy stop, 1 minute NAS has paid off 20 million times for you. Take profit out every time it goes over that line. Take your profit out and run. Every time NAS goes up, take your profit and run. Every time NAS goes up over the 1 minute, look, it's done it once, 9 pips. It's done it twice, 11 pips. It's done it third. There you go. It's doing it again now. Take your profit out on NAS. NAS, 1 minute buy stops are in the money. NAS, 1 minute buy stops are in the money. You're welcome. You're welcome. SPX made money for you. US 30 is just printing money for us. And NAS is in the money for the 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7th time. 7th time it's in the money. Look at it go up before your very eyes. Buy the damn system. Buy the system. Look at it go up before your very eyes. Look at NAS go up before. Who said it? Who kept telling you 1 minute buy stops? There she blows. There it is. There it is. You all had time to make this trade. If you trusted the system, you would have made that trade. I'm not a financial advisor. You should have did it on demo only. But that is your money. That is your money. Look at it go up. Look at it go up. Tell me the system doesn't work. Tell me the system doesn't work. Someone, please come on here and argue with me that the system doesn't work so I can shred you into 1,000 pieces with the truth. Look at it. Take your money and run. Fuck out of here. Look at that shit. Mofos, look at that money. 24 pips given to you because US 30 went up, because SPX went up. There you go. There you go. And then I said, NAS, how many times? For the last 5 minutes, money, 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 huge money. There you go. There you go. There you go. Everybody on TikTok, everybody on YouTube, you had no excuse not to make at least demo money. You had no excuse. There it is. 25, 30 pips. The average professional trader makes 10. Boom, 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 boom. Don't want to hear it. Oh, it's going to hook and come back down. I'm not going to make any money. Get the hell out of here. Lock in your profit and let it run. Let it run 650 pips. Why don't you? Look at it. Called it. There it is. There's your call outs. There's your money. Every day, 700 and almost 800 videos over the last year. I've been calling out for each and every one of you to make money. Every day, 800 videos documented live. I want to log in and see your profit and loss statement, Kevin. My profit and loss statement is fucking live trades every day on YouTube. That's what it is. Now buy the damn system. Buy it for yourself. Buy it for your loved ones. Buy it for your husband or wives. Buy it for someone you don't care about. Buy it for someone that's homeless. Help them out. That's where you go to. After you buy the system and you learn how to trade, you have to forget all that order blocks and blah, 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 blah that the guy was talking about this morning. It's moronic. None of that stuff works. You have to unlearn everything you thought you knew so you can relearn it the right way, the safety trade way. Look at it. Thank you. There you go. And I better see a lot of thank gods when I look over to these comments. I'm not looking yet, but I better see a lot of thank gods when I look over at these comments. I better see it. That's all I can tell you. Wow. Beautiful. And I'm also telling you 4-hour sell stops later today. Look at that shit. Look at that shit. Look at it. In stunned amazement, all of you should be thrilled out of your minds. I told you. I gave you another 30 pips. Right off of NAS, you had time. The other two broke first. NAS hadn't broken yet. I gave it to you. Gave it to you. I better see, thank God, that I'm not looking. After you buy the safety trade system at thesafetytrade.com, you will then get a type form. The type form will walk you through it. So there's no worries. There's no worries. I'm taking away all your apprehensions. I'm showing you a system that works consistently every day for the last year and a half, well, year and a half on TikTok, over a year on YouTube, documented with live videos. Hundreds and hundreds of satisfied customers out there. All my members, I've never had anybody complain. Some people don't get it. Some people take longer than others. That's fine. Y'all need the damn system. Quit fucking around and buy the system. For the love of God, day after day, pop, 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 again and again and again. Made money, made money, made money every day for you guys. There you go. There you go. Tony, that's insane. Thank you, God. There, I see a thank you, God. I'll stay there. Thank you, God. Pastor Pip, Little Joe, thank you. There you go. And again, I don't care what God and who the name is, or if it's a fly. I don't care. Thank God. Thank you, Wong Man, for speaking up. Thank you, Michael Mohan, for speaking up. Thank you, Steve, for speaking up. Thank you, Jose Luis Alonso, for speaking up. Thank you, Pastor Pitbull, for speaking up. Thank you, Little Joe, for speaking up, and Tony for speaking up. Look at it. Look at it. There you go. Not Nadex. Oh, okay, cool, Team Lane. Just making sure on that one. Thank God. Yep, thank you, Sydney, for speaking up, and Julius for speaking up, and Sandra for speaking up. And Rob Gruthius, you go, boy. I'm not to argue. I lose every time by the system. I know, right, Rob? Team Lane, thank you, God. Yep, Christopher Dawkins printing money over here. Not really a thank you, but okay. So thank you for speaking up. Maxwell, $50 on NAS evaluation account. Nice, Maxwell. Congratulations, my friend. Where's the Morning Star? where's the Evening Star, Morning Star, VWAP, volume, ascending, descending wedges? Look to the left, look to the left, look to the left, look to the left. I mean, they have so much weird ass shit that doesn't work. It cracks me the fuck up. Thank you, God. Yep, absolutely. Pip Hunter and Jason and Rob and Cliff. Stefan, thanks for the trading, the best coach ever. Kendall, thank God I was right. MC, yep. Aries, thank God. Oh, there you go. Lock, thank God. Yep, there you go. All right, guys. Money done. This is the hours you should trade. I know there'll still be buy stops and sell stops all day long on the 1 minutes. You can trade the Japanese pairs over the Japan market. You can trade the what's that one called over there in England? Their indices. Oh fuck, whatever it is. You can trade all those. That's fine. But I'm done. This is the time you should trade. We're done with the trades. We're out the door. Oh look. Oh shit! It tapped me. It tapped me. I'm in my buys, by the way. I'm up $400, $500 on my buys on the US 30s. I mean, on the NASs. But yeah, it tapped out my NAS too. Be ready. Make sure you have your sell stops ready to go. Let me see my account history here real quick. $53,000 on that trade. $53,000 on that trade. 53 pips. 530 pips. 53,000. Well, that's a big thank you. I have one trade open right now, and it's gold. All right, I'm going to leave you guys with a thought. 4-hour sell stops, 4-hour daily sell stops, all three indices. Enter in off the daily. If it's over the yellow line, enter off the yellow line. If it's off the red line, enter off the red line. All right, any questions on TikTok? I got the brown star, says Little Joe. A brown star, okay. Anyone on TikTok have any questions? US 30 getting ready to bounce back, maybe. It probably will. Can you fund me, Kev? Says Rob Ruthius. No, sir. You're pretty funny, though. Perfect systems from Fanny. I agree with that, Jason. Thank you, God. When it goes to count, you need to sit back and watch his videos. Yep. You make your own money. Christopher Duckford's Japan 225. Yeah, you can play that over the Japan market. Absolutely. They move better then. Jason, US 30 getting ready to bounce back. Made me think. Have a great day. All right. Everybody on TikTok, see ya. YouTube, any questions on YouTube? Anybody on YouTube have any questions? Anybody on YouTube have any questions? Thank you, Sandro. He's doing really well. I gave an update in the Discord. He's doing extremely well. Tony says, I can't wait to. Oh, I'm sorry, Tony. I just missed you. Tony, if you're over here, I hope you do get the system. Praying for your cousin, Kevin, by the way. I hope you guys have a great day. Easy money on a sell stop call by the system. Thank God. There you go. Can you find me? Thanks, Kev. All right. Thank you, Sandra, for those prayers and everybody that was praying for him. All right. Anybody have any other questions? That was fucking fantastic. That was fantastic. What a gorgeous, gorgeous trading day. One day. Fuck. Crazy. Kai, great birthday gift. Yay, it sure is. You bought it for yourself or buy it for somebody else. All right, I'm going to run, guys. Thank you all. God bless. Have a great rest of your morning. That was a blast. Holy, where the fuck's this thing? Holy fucking shit. I hope everybody made money on that. That was, where's the fucking off button? That was so much fucking fun.